Tornado emergency for Rankin County. At 7:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado was reported on the ground just south of Brandon. The tornado is moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The tornado will be near I-20 exit 59, US Highway 80, East Brandon by 7:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Pelahatchie and I-20 exit 68 Highway 43 at Pelahatchie by 7:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, 7 miles southwest of Leesburg by 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Repeat, this tornado is on the ground currently. Take tornado safety precautions immediately.